was sitting there with foils in her hair, about 2 chairs down from me, talking about a boy in a Tacoma, how he went and picked her up on a day Friday last week. Funny how that day he said he was working late and he didn't make it home till 3. Well, I ain't an eavesdropper, but I heard his name drop, and now I'm crying and it ain't the bleach. Safe to say I've had better days sitting here at the hair salon. He always said that he likes brunettes, well I guess those days are gone. Sneak around with girls with golden curls, should've seen it all along. What a way to find out he's going blonde. Oh, we should've known better than to try to be clever, cause this town's way too small. Big hair's full of secrets, but here we don't keep them, cause us girls love to talk. When I start being honest, she'll have more to process than the platinum on her head. And when I get home, he's getting cut off quicker than these dead ends. Safe to say I've had better days sitting here at the hair salon. He always said that he likes brunettes, well I guess those days are gone. Sneak around with girls with golden curls, should've seen it all along. What a way to find out he's going blonde. Word gets around, and he should've known, just like her roots are gonna do. True colors always show. Safe to say I've had better days sitting here at the hair salon. He always said that he likes brunettes, well I guess those days are gone. He went from being my everything to just another cheating song. What a way to find out he's gonna find himself on the street and have to give me back my spare key.